I had never surfed before, so just getting up on my first day was amazing.
It really took me back to basics and to actually feeling comfortable, stable on the board.
I just got like from almost nowhere to like something, and I know what to do next. So this is incredible.
Atlanta's the best, taught us.
The way she breaks things down and teaches you things, and the warm-up before the class actually is really, really, really good.
Very positive, very encouraging. Couldn't ask for a better coach to start off my surfing experience.
Because surf is like a drug.
It's like a drug.
I actually didn't need another one, but yeah.